welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you are already subscribed, and if you are already subscribed, be sure to hit that bell button to make sure you get notified every time I upload. So this is the blanket that we're going to be making today. It's really pretty, it's lovely and lightweight, especially for summer, which obviously we all need when it gets to a little bit nippy in the evenings in the summertime, and just perfect, and it's so easy to make. So let's figure out what we're using to make this blanket today. So the yarn that I've chosen to use for this blanket is Yarnsmith's Pebble Haze double knit yarn, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's so soft and lightweight, it's stunning. It's got a lovely fluffy texture to it, but it's not too warm. We're going to be using a 4mm hook, so I've got my hook set here. If you want to get these hooks, I will link them below for you as well. So 4mm, and we're going to start off by making a slip knot. Just like so. Pop our hook in and pull that tight. We're then going to chain up an even number of chains, so it can be any size you'd like. For a baby blanket, we are going to chain 160, and the size of this baby blanket will be 36 inches by 36 inches, so it's more of a receiving blanket. If you'd like to know how to make a lapgan, a twin/single, a queen/double, or a king size blanket, I will link to that in the description below, so you can get all the details on my blog. I'm just going to chain up 20 here, so I'm doing a little snippet for you, and I'm going to be working in the back loops of our chain. So I'm going to skip the first chain and work into the second, and I'm going to pop my hook in, then I'm going to yarn over and pull that through. I've got 2 loops on my hook, then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop on my hook, then yarn over and pull through both loops. And that is your extended single crochet. You're then going to chain 1, then we're going to skip 1 chain, so this one here, work into the next with an extended single crochet. So you pop your hook in to that chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. You've got 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, then chain 1, and we're going to repeat that all the way down. So skip 1 chain, work into the next with an extended single crochet. So pop your hook in, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 1. And repeat that all the way down, so we skip 1, then extended single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, extended single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and I will meet you at the other end. So we're now at the other end. I've got 2 chains left. I'm going to put an extended single crochet into my last chain just here, then yarn over and pull through 2, and I'm going to chain up 2, 1 and 2. Then I'm going to turn my work, and we're now on to row 2. So I'm going to skip the first stitch and the first chain space and work into the top of the next stitch with an extended single crochet. So just the same as before, yarn over, pull through 2, and then we're going to chain 1. We're going to skip the chain space and work into the top of the next stitch with an extended single crochet. Then chain 1, skip the chain space, work into the top of the next stitch, extended single crochet. Chain 1, skip the chain space, work into the stitch with an extended single crochet, and you just repeat that all the way down. When you come to the end of your row, you should have your chain 2 here. We're going to work an extended single crochet into that chain 2. So into the top of that chain 2, pop your hook, and we're going to put our extended single crochet. So pop it in, yarn over, put up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. And then that is what you need to do throughout this blanket. So you're just going to repeat row 2 until you get to the amount of rows that it states in the chart on my blog, and that will be your blanket completed. So chain 2 for the next row, turn your work, skip the first stitch, skip the chain, work into the next one with an extended single crochet, then you'll chain 1, skip 1 chain and work into the next stitch. And for your baby blanket you're going to complete a total of 99 rows. It is as simple as that, and it creates an absolute stunning blanket. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, guys. If you have, give it a big thumbs up for me, and subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to hit that bell button so you get notified, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.